because since I arrived here, I've met a good mentor by the name of Quintin. He's a very good guy.
I really hope gold is going to sell. I really hope, because if the thing is with NFP, you can't really predict, but I think gold is definitely going to sell, as well as GBP USD.
But the best time is like 2 minutes before the time, so you don't go on the entry because it's a bit dangerous and it's risky. So 2 minutes before the time, reach yourselves. Proper risk management is one which can help you just.
1 minute. 1 minute. Entries are there. 1 minute.
To the downside. Yes!
Yes, baby! So how was your NFP today?
My NFP was good. It was nerve-wracking, but it came out well, and I made profit.
How much?
I made over 4k profit.
So how was the NFP today?
No, it was hot. It dropped.
But did you make any money?
I did. I made $500.
How much is it in rands?
Maybe 9k.
So my account was on about $750. My account is currently sitting now on 1.8. Basically tripled my account on NFP. All thanks to Forex Kings.
Oh yes.
Forex Kings one way.
How much did you make
30k.
in rands?
30k.
30k.
30k in rands.
How was your NFP today?
My name is Abakwe Secheng and I had a dope NFP.
So how much did you make today?
I tried to use multiple accounts, but then as you can see, market reversed. So at least one of my accounts, I managed to grab $6.
As CEO Yamo Forex Kings,
Nothing less than 50,000 is what I stated on my status this morning, and that's what I did, bro. Nothing less, mfana.
50k.
Yes. Okay, I'm lying. It's not 50k. It's 52k. Yeah.
Bro, eat a quickie. Huh? Eat a quickie.
Eat a quickie.
Yeah.